Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of design. Have you ever wondered who the mastermind behind the UIUX design technique is? Well, you're in the right place. Before we unravel this mystery, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Let's get started. The story of UIUX design is a captivating journey that spans decades and involves the contributions of various brilliant minds. In the early days, graphic designers, HCI experts, and industrial designers laid the groundwork for what we now know as UIUX. The concept of a user-friendly interface wasn't born overnight. It evolved over time. Xerox PARC and the GUI. Fast forward to the 1970s, where the Xerox Palo Alto Research Center, or PARC, played a pivotal role. It was here that the graphical user interface, or GUI, started to take shape, though not a single individual invention. This era was crucial in making interfaces more visually intuitive. Apple's impact. Enter Apple and the iconic Macintosh in 1984. Apple, under the leadership of Steve Jobs, further popularized the GUI. This marked a significant step in making computers more accessible to the average person, influencing the future of UIUX design. Don Norman and HCI. In the late 1980s, Don Norman, a cognitive scientist, entered the scene with his groundbreaking book, The Design of Everyday Things. Norman's work in human-computer interaction, HCI, laid the foundation for user-centered design principles and emphasized the importance of a seamless user experience. The Nielsen-Norman Group. Don Norman, along with Jacob Nielsen, co-founded the Nielsen-Norman Group, a leading UX research and consulting firm. Their contributions to usability and user experience research have played a crucial role in shaping modern UIUX practices. Responsive web design. With the advent of the internet, the need for user-friendly websites became paramount. In 2010, Ethan Market coined the term responsive web design, emphasizing the importance of designing websites that adapt to different devices and screen sizes. And there you have it, the evolution of UIUX design. While we can't pinpoint a single inventor, the collaborative efforts of designers, researchers, and innovators have shaped the design landscape we know today. What's your favorite era in UIUX design history? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and stay tuned.